Dumelang landlords, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, we are back with Skeem Saam update. We all know that Skeem Saam will show us flames and Skeem Saam will do wrong things, ne? But here's what they are saying. Okgopolo Mphela reports, casting news. Rachel Kunutu returns. After a solid 4 years since her departure from the SAB soapie, Lesego Marakalla is back to Skeem Saam family as she reprises her role as Rachel Kunutu. The original Snake Queen will make her return on screen. Okay, I was not wrong. On June the 13th, 2025 at 19:30 on SABC1. Now, my question is, will Rachel Kunutu return as a doctor? Because remember, Ugo went to Cuba to study medicine based on the dream Yaga Bab Kunutu, the late Yaga Ben Kunutu. So I wonder, when she comes, will they maintain the storyline? Or will they change the storyline and tell us where she was, Makanje a story? Because Skeem Saam sometimes forgets. I believe they sometimes forget their storyline now themselves. But let us wait and see. Maybe Dr. Kunutu will finally land at TEF Loop. This is your girl, Disebo D. Please do like, share, and subscribe. I love you. Peace. Bye.